After driving through the picturesque village of Marano di Valpolicella, you arrive at the nearby village of Pezza, from which you can go up, on foot or by car, to one of the most beautiful panoramic sites of Valpolicella. The church of Santa Maria Valverde, in fact, dominates from the so-called Mount Castelon, the valleys of Marano and Fumane. On clear days, you can even admire the wonderful sight of the hills of the Garda Lake, the Mount Baldo and the Lessini Mountains. The name of Mount Castelon comes from the castle that, according to tradition, was erected by the consul Gaius Marius after winning the Cimbri, the local population. The castle passed then to the Scala family and was demolished in 1325. In pre-Roman ages, on the slope of Mount Castelon, a temple dedicated to the goddess Minerva was erected. This temple has recently seen the light again, and today, from an archaeological point of view, is considered one of the most important sites in the Triveneto. On the top of the mountain stands the magnificent sanctuary of Santa Maria Valverde, whose original building probably dates back to the 12th century and was built on the ruins of the ancient temple dedicated to the goddess Minerva. The church you can see today was instead founded in 1682, as proved by the inscription above the Baroque altar. The miraculous wooden statue of the Madonna, with folded hands and the child lying on her knees, is venerated inside the church. The statue dates back to 1516. The most important solemnity is the Feast of San Marco, that is celebrated on the first Sunday after April 25th and which ends with a procession around Mount Castelon to invoke protection on crops. At the foot of the square bell tower made of blocks of stone, there is a small cemetery, to which the dead of the nearby villages, Pezza, San Rocco and Purano, for centuries were transported on foot on steep trails. For those who want to live a unique and poetic moment in the Valpolicella area, the Church of Santa Maria Valverde is a must-see stop.